buntag, mga dong, mga daay. Naanami dinhi sa Sikihor. Oh, shoot. Naanami dinhi sa Dumaguete. And today, we're going to Apo Island. Ang akong pangalan ay si Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And so we're gonna try and make our way to Apo Island today. So kailangan mi mangita og mga tricycle. Tapos mo jeep din mi padulong sa Malapataya Market.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. I'll have it right here. So the mission is to find a tricycle first. Let's go. We're actually joined by the Siargao Island hopping squad, Zar and Zoe. Hey you guys.
Hey.
Hello, hello. We're really excited for this one. I've done this one before, but Alex hasn't. So this will be a nice experience to swim with turtles. I think I'll sit behind Kuya on this one. So karon you guys, mag-DIY mi sa kaning tour. Kay last minute na kaayo ba, wami nakabook sa Apo Island tour. So we're kind of making our way. We just read blogs on the internet to figure out how to get to Apo Island, tapos how to do the snorkeling tour. So wish us luck that we can actually get it done today. Ang motorcycle padulong sa bus terminal ay 20 pesos each per person. So I think 80 pesos in total. We gotta put our mask on for the public bus. Now it's time to figure out which bus we're gonna take because we're trying to get to certain stop, obviously. I think somewhere in Darwin, so we're gonna ask around. Well, Zara is asking around. What's the haps?
What's Alas Gis?
Alas Jis, 10
p.m.
Nai-aircon ng bus, salamat. Pero murag bugnaw gamay. Okay lang.
It's freezing, isn't it?
Mas tiyada nga bugnaw kaysa sa init kaayo. Di kayo ko sure pero murag half hour or isa ka oras padulong sa Malatapay Seaport. So we'll see. I'll let you know after the trip if I even remember. If I'm reading this correctly, it costs 57 pesos for about 1 hour bus ride. 30 minutes to 1 hour to get to our stop, which is at the port to get to Apo Island. Salamat kayo. Oh, it's a big drop. You made it? Finally, niabot namin din sa Malatapay. Murag half an hour lang ang bus. So it's now about 10:30. We're now just walking down this road. And we're hoping... Yeah, it's a very small town.
Yeah, there's like no one here.
Yeah, and we're hoping to get to the seaport at the end of this road. And also actually get on a tour.
Sana sa early this morning, sana. Marami sana tayong join.
Pero yung 12 bucks lang.
Pesa, sir. Each.
Paano yung entrance fee?
Doon na sa island, sir. Dito.
So we've made it to the terminal, and so there's a few pricings that you have to look out for. First, the terminal fee is, like here, is 5 pesos. I believe that's per person. And then we've got options in terms of the boat size because I'll overlay on the screen, but there's like a 1 to 4 packs, 6 packs, 7 packs, 9, 10, 11, and so on and so forth. And they're saying that only the 6 packs is available, which is 4,000 pesos, which is just a 500 peso increase from the 1 to 4 pack. We're just waiting. They said wait for half an hour and they're gonna try and organize a boat for us. Okay, na ang boat din eh. We're gonna hop on and I think the trip is about 30 to 40 minutes, so not too long as well. Yeah, one Okay, so niabot na kami din sa Apo Island. This is actually my first time going on the island because we parked at the back of it. Naami 20 minutes, 30 minutes nga hike mo at sa other side of the island where there is a pawikan, where there's a turtle. So yeah guys, that was a rough boat ride. It was really shaky because the waves were huge. It's about a 40 minutes plus boat ride. So it was a bit long. And so I'm hoping this walk is not too long, but it could be. So I'll update you guys. I am soaked, you guys. Pero murag, yeah, just about 20 minutes. We're almost there at the other end of the island, the other beach. We're reaching about 20 minutes into this hike. Yeah, we went up a couple of hills. Good things there. If you saw the B-roll, there's actually steps, like stairs and stuff. So yeah, it's a little bit easier to go on this hike. All right, you guys, so we've made it to the beach. My goodness, those waves are huge. But we do have a couple of guides with us to help us snorkel. But we'll switch to the GoPro soon because damn, look at those waves. I'm nervous, but I think we'll be all right. Let's make it worth it. So it's 300 pesos for our guide and the snorkeling gear. So that's 300 pesos per person. So 300, 300, 300, 300. So yeah, I mean, it's not pricey. It's not too bad. I know we'll definitely need the guide to help us swim because these waves are strong, and it's gonna be a hard battle. So big. So finally, nahumanan na gid mi og snorkeling dinhi sa dagat sa Apo Island, and honestly, it was just as good the second time around for me. Okay, because in the shallow parts, it was a little. How would you explain it?
It was a little bit murky on the shallow part.
Yeah, that's right. So it was
but
actually hard for the GoPro to see.
Yeah.
Then the quiz took us really deep, really far.
And that's
yeah.
where you see all the corals, and they were so vibrant. But the turtles, this time, they were just staying at the shallow part, which was a bit murky.
Yeah.
So hopefully you still saw that.
No, but they were also in the deep end.
Yeah.
So we got to dive down with them, swim with them a little without getting too close. You're not allowed to touch them. So you just let them be, but you can swim alongside them. And honestly, we had such a great time. It was pretty exhausting, but okay, for the price, I feel like it's very difficult. But for me, it was worth it. How was it for you?
I think with the pricing, it'll be even more worth it with a lot of people. So
Yeah.
you can split all the payments, obviously. But since there's only 4 of us, we have to pay, just split it by 4, which is a little bit expensive than other experiences I've had with the island, or like the tours.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it would be easily worth it if you had more people. But for me, I think I really enjoyed it this time around again. So if you really like marine life, sea creatures and whatnot, then you gotta come to Apo Island, you guys. Anyway, we've got the long treacherous walk back. I mean, it's only 20 minutes, but hey, it's up and down. Gonna get real sweaty, so we're gonna head out. So we actually went to another beach this time, which was only like what,
5 minutes?
5-minute walk. I don't know why we didn't do that in the first place. But anyway, you guys, we're about to head back to Dumaguete City. So makita tayo ugma. Transition. So it's now the next day, you guys, and we've checked in at the Henry. So it's one of the higher end like luxury resorts here in Dumaguete City. And yeah, as you can see, there's a nice massive pool, a bunch of seats, so we can't wait to, you know, finally stay here, but also take some photos and videos. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at chenogoes to see all the reels and the photos that I've uploaded over our trip in Siquijor and Dumaguete. But anyway, why don't we walk to our room and we'll quickly show you that. Alright, you guys, so this is the room that Alex and I will be staying in for a couple of nights. So this is the size, just comparing it, look at that. I think it's a king or queen bed, it's pretty big.
Yeah, it's pretty big. It's bigger than queen, so
yeah,
probably a king.
And if you can't tell by the camera, it's actually a little dim in this room, and I kind of like that. It's more the moody and calmer tone, which I think that's what they're going for. And so we've actually got a mini bar over here, you guys. So they've got a price list if you need to grab anything from here. A fridge to keep your drinks cool. And I love this spot here because this is where you can have coffee and just, yeah, look out into some greenery. And they left this cute little note for us, so look at that. And this is the, what's the food called again?
Sylvanas, specialty.
So this is the Sylvanas, which is a specialty. So this is the Sylvanas, which is a specialty of Dumaguete City. So yeah, pretty awesome. And now I just want to show you the bathroom, and which is actually really huge as well. So here is the shower. It's kind of like a rainfall shower. You got heaps of space to hang a few things, leave your storage here. And yeah, that's the kitchen. Oh. And yeah, this is the bathroom sink, you guys. There you go. That's pretty much the room tour. Guys, salamat kayo sa pagtanaw sa akong vlog. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please leave a like because it does help out tiny channels like mine. I'll be leaving Alice's channel as well as Jen and Anne's and Zar and Zoe's in the description down below. So make sure you follow everyone, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and whatnot. And the adventure hasn't stopped, you guys, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!